In this video, I'm showing you how to crochet this beautiful meshed beaded choker. This is Bonori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video, please. For this green model, I used lace yarn and a 0.85mm hook. However, for the tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. And now let's get into it. I've got all the beads ready in a thread, and I'm starting with 10 chains. I'm adding a bead, and in the first chain I'm making one slip stitch. Now making 4 chains, and in this empty space above the bead making 1 double crochet. And now 1 chain and 1 double crochet. 1 chain and 1 double crochet. I'm doing this 7 times. Now for the second row, I'm turning the work around. I'm doing 1 chain, and in the space between 2 stitches of the last row, I'm making 1 single crochet. I'm making 4 chains, and once again in the space between 2 stitches, I'm making 1 single crochet. I'm doing this 6 times. I'm making 5 chains, turning the work around. I'm adding a bead, one slip stitch in this spot, four chains, turning the work around, and in this empty space above the bead I'm making 1 double crochet and 1 chain, 1 double crochet. I'm doing this 7 times back to back. And in this hollow spot, I'm making 1 single crochet for attaching these parts together. Turning the work around, I'm making 1 chain, and in this spot I'm making 1 single crochet, 4 chains, and once again 1 single crochet. And I'm doing this 6 times. And 1 last single crochet for attaching the parts together. Turning the work, 5 chains, adding a bead, one slip stitch, turning the work, 4 chains, 1 double crochet, one chain, 1 double crochet. And I'm repeating this 7 times. And 1 more single crochet. Turning the work around, 1 single crochet, 4 chains, I'm doing this 6 times. and one more single crochet. Turning the work around, 5 chains, adding a bead, one slip stitch, turning the work around, 4 chains, one double crochet, one chain plus one double crochet, doing this 7 times. And one more single crochet. Turning the work around, one single crochet, 4 chains, and I'm doing this 6 times. And at the end, one single crochet. And that's it. Once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. I'm wishing you a great day, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe.